Hi guys, I welcome you guys back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I was able to monetize my TikTok account, and I earned massive there with less than 1,000 subscribers. That's massive, I guess. So let me show you how I do that. So in this very video, I've created a new TikTok account, and this TikTok account, I'm telling you, has just 0 followers. You can see it has only 0 followers, and I'm going to show you step by step through which I do that. Yeah, all right guys, what you need to do is go to your Play Store or your App Store and download this app called sound.me. So I'm using iPhone and I've already downloaded it. So, and also make sure you have TikTok which you have created. It might be brand new TikTok or anyone, so I don't care. Like this video, you don't care, it doesn't matter. Actually, you got to make your money. So once you do that, go then click this sound.me here, this sound.me. I will just click it. Now in this place where there is music sign, that is where you see some offers you can do. So the one active here is actually 0. If new offer comes, it's going to appear in this active. The one you completed is actually 0 here, because I told you guys that this one is a new TikTok account and also new sound.me account, because I'm recording it for a purpose, right? So once you come to this sign, that's where you see amount of money you've already made. So in this case it is $0. So let's go ahead and perform some tags. So once you click here, you go to this active. For now there is no one active, but I've applied for this one before recording this because I don't want to lose it. You can say applied on 27th January, right? So deadline is 27th January. So how this stuff work is you view the instructions. It says create a cozy high quality video imagining what you and your crush could be doing together at home, but make sure you are the only one in the video. So make sure you are alone in the video, but let it be a kind of imagination. Start by setting the scenes in comfortable spots such as a curve or bed, and add the text overlay image. Imagine us just clean and relaxable activities like snuggling while watching a movie, sharing funny stories, or just any of this, right? So that's what you're gonna do, and once you do it, you're going to earn, and then you're going to earn money and then make 0.06 as your extra bonuses, right? So what you're gonna do is open on TikTok. Imagine how good that skin to skin sleep would be, right? So all you need to do is just do something like that. For me, I have this video here, though it's not high quality, but I think
I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she.
With this one here, it sends sound with this one. So all you need for is just the sound. Right, make sure
I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back.
So what I'm going to do is to
upload
the video on my YouTube. Now I'm going to add this.
I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack.
Then you can tag them. Just tag them and then click post, and let's allow it to upload.
I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back. I turn her up to a pack. Best friend told her she better get back.
To this sound.me. and paste that link. So it says submitted for review. So all you need to do is just to give them time for them to review it, and then add your money, right? And then add your money. So I'm going to do video again and show you how this stuff works in next 3 days, where I'm going to do withdrawal and I'm going to see it yourself. So comment if you want me to do the video on how to connect it with YouTube and make more money with this, because it works more on YouTube than TikTok, right? So if you really want to learn how to do that, then comment below. Please do the video. If you don't want, you can just scroll. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you learn anything here, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel.